Hello there. Welcome to another episode of Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and decor pieces ideas you never knew you needed. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever wondered why wood is the dominant material in furniture making? The answer lies in a combination of its natural beauty, durability, versatility, and sustainable attributes. For centuries, wood has been cherished not only for its aesthetic qualities, but also for the enduring value it brings to homes and spaces alike. It has stood the test of time as a preferred material in furniture design, and this preference is deeply rooted in both tradition and practicality. One of the most compelling reasons wood is favored in furniture construction is its inherent beauty. Each piece of lumber showcases unique grain patterns, colors, and textures that contribute to a warm and inviting atmosphere. From the rich, dark hues of mahogany to the light tones of pine, wood offers a diverse palette that can complement any interior design scheme. The natural variations inherent in wood contribute to its charm. No two pieces are ever identical, ensuring that each item has its own personality. This individuality makes wood furniture not just functional, but also a form of art that enhances the beauty of a space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Durability is another significant factor that sets wood apart from other materials. When properly cared for, wooden furniture can last for generations. The strength of hardwoods such as oak or cherry means they can withstand wear and tear far better than many manufactured alternatives. Furthermore, wood can often be refinished or repaired, allowing it to maintain its aesthetic appeal over time. This longevity translates into greater value for homeowners, as investing in quality wood furniture often proves more economical in the long run than frequently replacing cheaper, less durable options. The versatility of wood is another reason it remains a top choice for furniture makers. Wood can be shaped, carved, and constructed in a multitude of ways, making it ideal for a wide variety of styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. This creative adaptability allows wood to be used in everything from intricate cabinetry to sleek tables and chairs. Additionally, wood can easily be combined with other materials, such as metal, glass, or upholstery, creating hybrid designs that add depth and interest to furniture pieces. Beyond aesthetics and functionality, wood is appreciated for its sustainability. As a natural resource, wood is renewable, provided it is sourced responsibly. Sustainable forestry practices, such as selective logging and replanting, help ensure that wood can be harvested without depleting forests. This aspect aligns with a growing trend toward environmentally conscious living, as more consumers prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Opting for wood furniture made from sustainably sourced materials allows individuals to contribute positively to environmental preservation while enjoying the benefits of beautiful and functional design. When we consider wood in the context of health and well-being, its impact becomes even more significant. Wood has been found to have a positive effect on mental well-being, creating a calming and comfortable environment. Research suggests that exposure to natural materials can reduce stress and improve mood. The warmth of wood creates a sense of connection to nature, which has been shown to enhance feelings of happiness and relaxation. This psychological benefit is particularly vital in urban settings, where people often feel disconnected from the natural world. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden furniture is another aspect that draws people to it. There is a certain artistry inherent in woodworking, and many furniture makers take pride in the skill and expertise required to create functional pieces from raw timber. This dedication to craftsmanship often results in high-quality products that reflect the care and attention given during the manufacturing process. When purchasing wood furniture, consumers are not merely buying a product, they are investing in a piece of art, history, and heritage. The maintenance and care required for wood furniture also play a role in its appeal. While it's essential to take care of wood, such as using coasters to prevent water damage and regularly polishing surfaces to maintain luster, this process can deepen one's relationship with the material. Caring for wooden furniture can be seen as a labor of love and ongoing commitment to preserve the beauty and functionality of a beloved piece. This relationship fosters an appreciation for craftsmanship that goes beyond mere aesthetic appeal. Culturally, wood has held significant value across various societies throughout history. From ancient civilizations building their homes and furniture from wood to modern designers drawing inspiration from traditional woodworking techniques, the use of wood in furniture has deep cultural roots. These practices often celebrate the uniqueness of regional wood species, showcasing local traditions and aesthetics. This cultural connection can lend a sentimental value to wooden furniture, grounding it within personal or shared histories. As we explore the preferences surrounding wood furniture, it becomes apparent that certain woods hold particular associations and meanings. For instance, darker woods like walnut and mahogany often convey elegance and sophistication, making them favorites in formal dining settings or upscale offices. Lighter woods, such as birch or maple, provide a more casual feel, which can be ideal for family-oriented spaces. These preferences often go hand in hand with individual tastes and lifestyle choices, allowing buyers to select pieces that resonate personally. Moreover, the rise of globalization and the internet has expanded access to various wood types from around the world. Exotic woods are now more accessible than ever, allowing furniture makers and consumers to explore new aesthetics and functionalities. However, with this accessibility comes responsibility. Consumers are increasingly being urged to consider the environmental impact of sourcing exotic woods and to prioritize sustainable options whenever possible. This awareness reflects a growing commitment to sustainability and ethical sourcing within the furniture market. The interplay of tradition and innovation is also notable in the context of wood furniture. While many artisans still adhere to classical techniques passed down through generations, modern design elements can blend seamlessly with traditional craftsmanship. This fusion results in unique pieces that honor the past while embracing contemporary aesthetics. The excitement lies in discovering how established techniques can be reimagined and enhanced, ultimately leading to fresh expressions of timeless materials. In addition to aesthetic values, wood furniture often embodies a sense of stability and permanence that other materials may lack. As families grow and change, wooden furniture can adapt alongside them, becoming fixtures in spaces where memories are made. Children might grow up around a sturdy wooden dining table, celebrating special occasions and everyday moments alike. The emotional ties that form around these pieces add layers of meaning, making the furniture not just functional, but integral to a family's history. When considering wood as a furniture material, the importance of selecting appropriate finishes should not be overlooked. Wood finishes, including stains, paints, and sealers, can dramatically alter the appearance and enhance the longevity of wooden pieces. The choices available allow individuals to tailor their furniture's look while providing necessary protection against wear and tear. This option for customization enhances the ability of wood to fit seamlessly into any home aesthetic. Similarly, as trends in design evolve, so too does the approach to woodworking. Minimalist designs, for instance, have gained significant popularity, emphasizing simplicity and clean lines. This shift reflects a broader cultural movement toward decluttering and prioritizing functionality in our living spaces. Wooden furniture that fits within these modern sensibilities allows individuals to embrace a contemporary lifestyle while still enjoying the warmth and character of natural materials. As consumers become increasingly aware of the stories behind the materials they choose for their homes, the narrative of wood becomes essential. Understanding where the wood comes from, its journey from tree to furniture, and the labor involved in its crafting brings depth to ownership. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and decor pieces ideas you never knew you needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.